Minsan kahit nabibigyan kaninin, kung damdamin di siya susunod at di wala ng balik ang pati matamis na ang piling may tuyo ng pagtangin. Hindi ngayon ang panahon na tapos sa'yo, tumahinig dahil ganyan ang iyong silo, umawala ng pag-asa, hindi na ligaya, ang isipin mo'y may bukas pa, mayroong sila. Kabigo'y hindi hanggang upang tumaras ka. kung saan kita ibigin. Tinig ay kaya kong tapanan kung yan ang landas mo'y masundan. Kahit inulit ako iyong saktan, hindi maraming salamat po! Oh, nakatayo pa talaga sila lahat. Thank you po. Hindi ka nang lumabas yung nalangal ako. Pero, hindi ka pa rin. So, okay pa ako. Kaya pa. And of course, I would like to thank Coach Babu, Tito Gary B, Kuya Robby Domingo, and Tito Boy Abunda for those surprise video greetings tonight. And those greetings make this even a lot more special. Maraming salamat po. And at this point, we'd like to thank and acknowledge our sponsors for helping us make this event possible tonight and successful, of course. Thank you to Jig Brothers Freight International Inc., to Jollibee, maraming salamat po. The Medicine Shop all the way from Calgary, Canada. HBC, Metro Dental for my Invisalign braces and keeping my teeth healthy. Great Way Financial, maraming salamat po. Oh, wow! Thank you po. Kasi Marlon po, Dennis. Yes, maraming salamat po. So World Vision for making this event possible as well. Our media partner, Wish 1075. So Star Magic and MCU Music, maraming salamat po, my Star Magic family. Thank you for being here. Of course, thank you, Mr. Eris Mariol, Sir Mark, Sir Kiko, thank you po for coming tonight.